Hi guys, how you doing? This is Q coming to you once again from diygenesis. And today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about our Contact Us form, still using our Magazine Pro theme, just to show you just how easy it really is to go in and create this form. So as you can tell right now, we have a link for Contact Us, which means we built out our page. But if we click on the link, you can see there's no content in the page at this point. So let's jump into the back office and learn about how to actually create this contact form. So when we get here, you can see if you move down your list here and get to WP Forms, which is what's installed out of the box when you install Magazine Pro, that WP Forms comes with that. And generally, if you do the one-click demo install, which I show in another video, but if you don't do that and you just end up having to be where you have the WP Forms plugin installed, then you're set and you're ready to go from that perspective. So let's go in and learn how to actually create that Contact Us form. So if we hit Add New, you're going to see a list of templates come up, and here's the one we want: create a simple contact form. So we just click that one button, it's loading, and there is our simple contact form. Now you have our name first and last, we got email, we got comment or message, and our submit button. So we're ready to go, and the form is created. Now the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to just hit save, make sure that it's saved, and then we're going to close this box. We can see right now that we have our simple contact form, and you'll notice the short code here, which allows you to embed this in your post or in your pages, and you be ready to go. So we know that we saw our page, there's no content there. So let's jump over into our page tab, and we can see right now there's nothing in there. We have the page title Contact Us, but we want to actually add the contact form to this page. So how do we do that? Great question. What we need to do here is go into our plus button here up in the corner, and you'll see that if you scroll down, right here is actually available in most use because I've selected that before. But if you haven't used it before, you won't find it there. So where you normally look and find it would be under widgets, and you would select WP Forms. And now you can see that this will show up in the body, but you don't want to select anything from this body at this point in time. What you want to do is move over here to the right, and you want to be able to select your simple contact form, which we've done. We've selected that, and we made our selection here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to refresh this, because right now we're not pulling our content in at this point. And I'm going to go back and select this again, and then we'll try to select our simple contact form again, and voila, we get our form. So now the form actually shows up on the page, and everything is refreshed and it's ready to go. And now we just hit update here, and now the page is ready to go. So let's go back to our page, and we can refresh here, and there we go. We got our name, got our email, got our comment and message. So guys, that's how easy it is to get this contact form set up and going and up on your website. Magazine Pro theme, really easy, straightforward. So if this was difficult to follow along with, then please let me know in the comments. I hope you got value out of this. I hope you can see just how easy this is. And we're going to be bringing you more great content, more great videos, more insight in how to do things inside of Magazine Pro, but also in some additional themes from StudioPress and working with Genesis. So guys, I hope you found this video insightful for you, and I look forward to doing great content and great videos for you again. Please make sure that you click on that like button, you click the subscribe button, and certainly click on that notification bell so you can get more great content and know when we're putting out new videos. So until next time guys, this is Q coming to you from diygenesis.